Hi and welcome to Lesson 2 of Product Reviews Pro for WooCommerce, setting up and configuring reviews. In this video, we will set up and configure WooCommerce Product Review Pro. Let's get started. From your WordPress dashboard, go to WooCommerce and click on Settings. Now, click on the Products tab and go to Product Review. Here, you will find all the settings to customize your review system, contribution types. Enable all types to allow reviews, questions, photos, or videos. Or, you can enable specific contribution types, like reviews, photos, and comments. Enable allow attachments so customers can add photos and videos to their reviews or questions, admin badges. Add badges to admin responses, or leave it blank to disable. Sorting order. Select most helpful first or newest first. Minimum word count. Set the minimum word limit for reviews. Maximum word count. Set the maximum word limit for reviews. Threshold for publication. Set how many reviews are needed before showing the operating rating. Flag contribution. Allow customers to flag inappropriate content. You can set to pending approval when flagged by a registered customer, or set to pending approval when flagged by anyone. Moderation. Manually approve contributions before publishing. Enable product reviews. Turn on product reviews. Show verified owner label. Display a label for reviews from verified owners. Reviews can only be left by verified owners. Enable this option to set a restriction for verified customers. Product rating. Enable star ratings for the review. If you want to make star ratings mandatory for reviews, enable this option. Once the settings are added, click on the Save Changes button. That's it. You have now set up and configured Product Review Pro. That wraps up our lesson. For more plugin tutorials, subscribe to Sleekr Digital.